Whole lot of nada, huh?
A whole lot going on.
What was that?
I think somebody leaving
Oh, it was
and coming
my.
back
That's weird.
and leaving.
Well, that was my screen for some reason.
Didn't move here.
Well, let's see. We walked out about like what, 12,
12 something, 12:40.
30 ish, 40. Okay, so it took it a whole 30 another minutes. So we would have to sit around and just sit there for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. I forgot something. It's nice to have reliable internet now.
Just talking and talking on mute.
Talking to mute. Talking to mute.
Talking on
Talking to
mute.
mute. Oh, um, I have here. Let's go over a couple things real quick. All right, that's one thing we got to do. I'll do it. I'll work on that though. Do we want to short this? This is a short setting up. I, I,
Uh, okay.
because of that shutdown, that was affected too.
Yeah,
Good
that
name. That
that
must have just ran out like last week
yeah, well, yeah. That's,
because
unfortunately, that caused some damage.
it must have just ran out last week, like the other hosting. So we'll fix that. This looks like a short. Oh, it looked like a short.
uh, right now,
Paul. Mm. All right, maybe. Let's see here. Okay. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna do it on this count. I'm doing on the one that I was red on.
dude, target's off. By the time you take it, by the time you do it,
Well, it's dancing around there. We're gonna work on targets here in a second.
there's your entry there, right?
Yeah. No.
Oh, targets are off.
Yeah. I'm just trying to target off. I was just trying to switch this to that. It's not even gonna let me stay around, is it?
Nah, this is probably gonna bounce right back up.
Stay around. I think it's pretty decent short. Although there's a couple things about this that I do like, and a couple things. So there's my targets off.
It's nice little. This is a good.
Yeah, from VWAP, it's if it stays below the 89, I like it. This is the only account I really needed to trade. I mean, I do want to kind of trade this other one here that I was on.
Yes, has to break literally like around 63 and a quarter for it to be a good short. But if it does, I think you're good. Because this could hold right here. This could bounce right here, literally right here.
If it can stay below the 89, never mind.
One, two, three, four, five. We got a little. I got a little trend line on that 2000 tick, which touched a bunch of times. So
On the
it could
ES
bust through
here?
that. Yeah, I mean, I'm not saying that holds a lot of weight, but it's pretty clean. It's tiny.
Are you talking about
But if
on
it
the
could,
way up?
yeah, if it could bust through that, I think you're good on the short. That's what I'm trying to say. In my crazy way of speaking.
You speaky
Yeah,
speaky?
right there, right there. I think if you get through that, you should be pretty good down to that next, at least that next level of previous swing.
Okay. So basically, if this candle stays down, we're good.
Mm-hmm. Pretty much.
Now,
Usually when they touch that many times, it's usually.
so this
I'm
is
not
this
saying
is that one of those scenarios where
right
one,
there,
two, three, four times
or
down to this level today,
and it could bust.
and then it's still active. Yeah, so
I would move honestly if this does break that little micro trend line, I would probably move that target out of the way because
we're
see
going
what it
all the way
does when it gets
down.
down. Yeah, see what it does when it gets down there. Why get out of the trade right there? That doesn't make any
Well,
sense.
well, that's a reasonable target, right?
I mean, I see
There it
what you're
is.
seeing to the left, but it's also broke. It's also touched it 4 times. So I don't
Yeah,
know.
yeah.
We'll see. It's got to
I mean,
hold
if
here,
it,
and I don't know.
yeah, that's the thing. Is it going to hold here?
It really didn't close below it. So,
No, I'm gonna
and
switch.
again, I don't put a lot of weight on such a small little trend line, but
Nah,
it's something.
I think we're gonna flat here, and I'm gonna switch accounts probably. Oh no, I'm gonna leave it on that account. Yeah. Okay. This is literally that one and the one that I have
It's a cool picture.
first.
I mean, I don't
I'll put this one over
have
this
any
one.
to trade, but I have some that don't have a lot of profit in them. I got 2 accounts with just like 40 and $50 in them, so I could trade those.
And that's, I mean, this is about all I have left. Look at that. It's going to go. I got to do this. I've got to be in this
It
trade
is going
again.
to go. It's going to go. Tell you what, almost here. I'll do this with you. I'll take a break below that other candle right there. What is that? 6150?
Yeah, I mean, I'm seriously tempted to do this on the NQ.
Yeah, NQ. Nope.
This is, I don't, I'm not going to count that as true.
Nope.
Let's take rid of that.
No, I mean it's again, it was nothing more than when you were in the trade. I figure if it could break below that, but it didn't. It didn't. I mean, it did hold it. Say what you want, right?
That's true.
Not that I put a lot of weight on that, such a small thing, but
What do you think about looking at CL short? I think I would be
um,
interested in looking at that.
yeah, actually, this is a good area here. Smaller tick chart doesn't really look like it, but that doesn't mean anything.
No, you can't. The smaller tick chart's not giving you anything. But the bigger tick chart is saying sell it.
No, nope, 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 and nope, nope,
The only
nope,
thing I'm
rope a
really
dope.
looking at here is that CL possible.
A little bit higher CL is a good setup.
Yeah, I'm gonna keep my eye on that CL.
Uh, what do we calculate pivot on bar close or what is it again? Daily bars? No.
Huh? On daily
How do we
bar
calculate the
close.
pivot? Daily bar?
Bar close. CL, CL, CL. Do I want to try that? Yeah, man, it's just so hard to try to take a trade right now. I don't want to give back my profits.
Hmm, interesting.
Interesting what?
I got I got two different pivots on two different charts, and they're the same settings.
What?
Weird. Okay. Well, oh, there it goes. It just readjusted itself. Weird. Weird. I got ghosted my ninja. Here comes that breakdown. There it goes. Come on.
What?
Oh, doesn't want to break. Trying to though.
This is gonna do it. What was that somebody said? I was gonna do what you did, just in the most unexpected way.
Nope. He didn't want to break.
Well, if this bar closes below this low, though, gone. It's not gonna do it. So it turns back into a long.
I took the short there, but it didn't want to break, so I killed it.
Did it sound like I was distant away from my mic?
Yeah, you're way away.
It's because I accidentally knocked it off my head and I was still talking. This mic is so sensitive. Boot, 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 boot. Um,
Oof. We having fun yet?
huh? Well, I walked back by and I was like, oh man, this thing's tanking. We're gonna get some nice little swings now. Nope.
I'll say you made me come back from break for this.
I thought we were gonna get some. All
What?
right, I'm gonna go grab some coffee.
I was I was having fun. I got Renee's bringing me some. Oh,
Huh? Yeah.
thank you. Thank you. Oh, no, she bought me some coffee. Yes.
I'm gonna get me some
Nice.
coffee. Hey, Renee.
Hey. She said, hey,
Hey.
as she walked out. Tick squeaks on a warp rampage right now.
Yay, Tick Week.
He thinks
I'm
it's
getting one of those
playtime.
Papillons, dude. Just you gotta train Grace not to sit on it.
I was gonna say, I wonder, I mean, in all seriousness, you think it'll be an issue? You think she'll hurt him?
No,
Her?
no. I've had girlfriends that have had small dogs, friends that I've watched small dogs that are those tiny little teacup things, 3, 4, 5 pound dogs. None of my big dogs have
I
ever.
mean, I don't think she would do anything intentionally, but she
No,
could want
that
to
little
play
dogs are
or
pretty self-aware of their tininess.
okay.
No, I
Yeah,
really
she's a
don't think it'll
little.
be an
This one
issue.
here's a little rampage. She abuses the cat, like literally rides her, jumps on her back and rides her.
Love it. Way to go, Tick Squeak. Way to go.
Cat will tolerate to a point, and then it's like okay.
Ah.
Then you get the hiss and the swat, and it's over.
Tick Squeak said, all right, playtime's over for the day.
Yep, that's it. I don't want to do this anymore. I
All right.
quit. It's not fun.
Okay, I'm going to get coffee. All
Go
right,
for
let's
it.
think about this for a second. Do
Do
you
what?
think
It's
the breakout on
complete
top
chop.
side? This is the same thing we thought about before. Breakout on top side? No. There's a lot of selling pressure up here. And here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna be this bold, Cotton. If this bar stays down, I'm gonna put a sell stop. If it doesn't break the pivot.
You're crazy. You mean what? Above the pivot?
No, I'm gonna put a sell stop below this structure. If that bar stays below the pivot. I mean, you're look. If it breaks the top side, you're guaranteed targets off on the top. I know that. You're getting higher highs, higher lows. This actually might be a buy
Oof.
signal, but I don't know. I'm just saying stuff right
Oof.
now because
Like, wow.
yeah.
Okay. I mean, I'll take it if you take it, but oof, it's just
Keep me
so
posted
much
on how you do.
here. London High. You got the 30-minute, the crave. Everything's right here. There's so much going on right here. It's got to break. Like it really would be a cleaner break above,
Well, in that
above
case,
326.75.
I go get my coffee and a
I think you should
snack
go get your coffee. I think we're forcing
and a
trades.
snack, and we'll find one more trade this afternoon, and maybe not. I don't care. It's a great day either
Oh,
way.
you should. You'd like my new. Do you like? Are you a cottage cheese person? Do you
Cottage
like it?
cheese. I'm a cheese person in
Yeah.
general.
So check this out. My new snack: cottage cheese, peanut butter, cinnamon, and a little maple syrup.
That sounds really good.
Oh, it's insane.
Well, I
It's
do
like a
cottage. I've
custard.
always done cottage cheese, peanut butter, not cinnamon.
Yeah, I put cinnamon in it. When I say just a drab, just a little dip of just to give it that sweetness, the maple syrup, because I don't want to do too much sugar. But I mean, and then if I'm like trying to stay away from sugar completely, I'll just leave the maple syrup off. But
What about the sugar in the peanut
it's
butter?
yeah, well, yeah, but sugar if it's organic peanut butter, it's not that bad. Because the peanut butter I buy is just peanuts and sea salt. There's nothing in it. There's no added sugar, nothing.
Oh, sweet. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's
So it's I don't, you forget who I live with.
oh yeah, yeah.
It's like
Health
me, my
Nazi.
junk. That ain't gonna happen. Not with my wife.
Like in my mind, I eat right. In your wife's mind, I'm a slob.
You're not even close.
No.
She would destroy your She used to do
Be like,
these
what?
pantry things
What?
for our clients.
You had a bite of a
She'd do
biscuit
that.
this morning with your eggs and pork chop
Oh yeah,
and
no, that would be
liverwurst
an
and
absolute no
cheese.
no.
I did have liverwurst, eggs,
Freaking
cheese, and pork
glucose
chop.
spike. You're getting a glucose spike. You're destroying everything you're doing. Which I mean,
It's true.
if
It's
you're
true.
trying to step on a stage, then yeah, you're definitely destroying what you're doing. If you're
I ain't
just trying to stay in shape,
At CL
doesn't matter.
short, we were sitting here running our freaking bumming our gums. I knew
Oh
that was
yeah,
coming
I
too.
told you if it
Damn it!
closed below
Oh,
thing,
I knew
that's
that was
exactly what
coming.
we
I meant
said.
to keep my eye
We
on
missed
that. I
that
gotta
one.
get. I wonder if can I use Copilot and be like, hey, I wonder if I can get Copilot to do this. Let's see if we can do this.
I wonder if
Let
you
me
can
see.
have it warn you.
I know. I'm gonna go get coffee. I'm gonna play with Copilot on this. See if it can warn me if stochastics
Wait,
start
does
dipping.
Copilot can Copilot? Yeah, that's true because Copilot can watch a screen,
The
right?
screen, yeah.
Yeah, I know Perplexity can't do that.
I'm gonna play with it this afternoon and see.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna do that too because that would be awesome. Could you imagine? It tell you when? Hey, dumbass, get in the trade.
It's time for your trade, dumbass.
Time for your trade,
You're in the
dumbass.
short. I told you they were
Time
gonna
to
sell
make.
that thing.
Yeah, I totally agreed with
I'm gonna
that.
go
I
get
just
coffee.
wasn't
And the
watching it.
market just
All
went
right,
down.
well,
I was
go
trying
get
to go get
coffee.
my coffee. Somebody bring me coffee. Somebody. I don't have anybody here
Woo.
to bring me coffee.
How's she doing, by the way?
Good,
Good.
really good, really good,
Nice.
really good. Oh, you're talking about Grace, right?
Oh, actually, both.
Oh, I'm more concerned about the Grace.
The dog. That's wrong in so many ways.
They're on
Oh,
vacation. Are you kidding me?
I know, right? They're out
They're
there
in
having a good
freaking
time. You're
Southern
over here working.
California living in a.
That's funny.
I told
I
y'all
know
there's a lot of
Grace is
selling
having
pressure
fun.
up here.
Yeah.
Yeah, no, Grace is doing good. Grace is doing her job.
But you were talking about breaking out there. I'm like, I don't know about that.
Well, I just we're still we're at that what I call inflection point. It's gonna chop here, and this is where we need patience, right? This is where we need to say let it chop, swing out of this area, and take the next trade long or short from the swing. That's yeah,
That
that's where
works
we're
for
at right
me.
now. Have some have a little had to do a little had to do a little quiz on YouTube about our uh, violation a few weeks ago when I was playing music. It was like, if Susie is a music teacher and she plays a ballad from her favorite artist and she only plays 1 minute of that blah blah blah, but does not get
That's a
consent from
copyright
the
strike.
artist, is that a violation? And
That's
I'm
a
like,
copyright strike. Strike.
yes. Well, obviously, we know we did that. I don't think there's anybody listening to us whatsoever right now.
That's okay. I'm here to trade.
I don't care. I'm gonna find a trade. I'm gonna find a good. This is gonna end up coming out. There's gonna be a good trade that comes out of this. I'm telling you. Watch.
Jim, I put that file in your. I messaged you with the
There's
file
gonna be somebody. There's
with the
gonna
labels.
be there's gonna be a trade that comes out of here. Let me run grab my coffee. I'll be back. Maybe I'll start stretching while we're waiting for the trade.
I'll be here.
That's something I could do.
Cool.
Look, he even learned how to put at dude two on there.
What's that?
He even learned how to put at dude two at dude two on there. You guys learning stuff. Old guys are starting to learn some stuff. I like
Add
it.
dude to where?
On saying got it, thanks at dude two instead of just
Oh, add dude too. I see it. I
yeah.
got you.
You put your handle
I
on it.
wasn't. I was like, what are you talking about?
You
I
put your
wasn't looking
handle
at
on
the.
it.
Jim's a tech man now.
We gotta figure.
Technology inclined.
Here's
Let's see who we got here. Bo, Dan, Dave, Gunter, Jim, Joshua. Joshua, what's up, man? Kevin, PBR, Den, Tom. We got a few. I think Tom left. Tom said he was stepping away. 1242 props. Tom's killing it, man. He's a member of the week. You're no slouch. No slouch at tech or no slouch at trading.
what it is. Are you doing better? You doing better, Jockcap? I hope he says yes.
I hope he says trading. Yeah, that'd be so cool.
I hope so too. I
Yeah, I
really,
think we were talking about tech
you'd
though.
make my day if you said that.
But
If
I
you're
know
saying
I know Jim's
trading,
pretty decent with tech stuff. I know he's a.
who? Who's good with tech stuff?
I think Jim is.
Jockcap. Oh yeah, he's probably what I
So
was
we
gonna say.
need to.
I'm on the edge of my seat waiting. That dude too and other tech stuff.
uh,
He knows how to use the at. Okay, I'm seriously going to get my coffee now.
yeah. Check my emails while we do this. Holy smokes! Look at all those things. Oh, President's Day is next. Is the Monday the 16th? That's next Monday. Markets close early. Ah, look at that. 50% off. I got so many freaking emails. Hey, look at this. I can get a $50,000 loan to help pay off my credit cards. Wow. Only 49% interest. That's a bargain. Sign me up. Oh, is that even legal? Wow. I love reading all this junk mail. So funny some of the stuff you get. Hmm. I must step away for a little bit. This is way more than I can handle. I'll be back in a little bit.
Like I said, let it swing out and take the very next trade.
Uh, very next trade, where though?
Oh, it just oh, short or long, whatever, whichever way it goes out from. It's going to do it. ES, NQ, RTY. I don't care. All three of them. What I'm really mad about is we didn't catch that CL short.
Yeah, the CL short was huge. Look at that thing.
I know, and I knew it was
Wow.
coming too. I saw it coming. I'm
And
like,
I even agreed. I saw it. And I was like, yeah, I like that. It's a good short.
we just
We
started
just, I
talking
forgot
and
about it.
freaking forgot completely.
Hmm.
What do you like my idea?
About, whatchamacallit, the AI looking at it? Oh, the other idea. Yeah. 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 What you sent me. Yes. Well, you just go from one subject to another, right? Mid thought. Sign of an active brain. You're like, you are so, man. It's scary how much you are like Renee.
Renee.
I mean, you guys think alike. It's like she's the same way. We're sitting there deep in discussion and just like we're talking right turn. I'm like, what the hell?
90-degree.
It's like, where did that come from? We weren't even talking about that.
My brain's working.
She's like, I thought about it. I was like, okay.
I thought,
So it was on my mind. So
thought
you
about
just
putting it
splurted it out there right in the middle of another conversation? Okay. It's like,
That's what I'm known for. I do that.
mhm.
Um, no. So okay, watch this here on the NQ.
There's absolutely nothing on the NQ. I don't see what
No,
you're looking at.
look on the smaller tick chart. So you had this junk. I said, let's let it swing out and take the very next trade. Long or
Yeah, I
short.
guess you could have done it on the short one. Yeah, it didn't set up
Yeah.
like that on the big two. And I'm not really looking at the short chart. I'm looking at the bigger
Smaller.
one.
Yeah. No, I mean, I would rather see that setup happen on the big tick chart, not the smaller one.
What
Not
time
as
is it?
close to it.
2 o'clock. We might get something in the next
We'll
hour.
get a trade. Hey, guess what? And if we don't get a trade,
We'll
I'm
get
still
one
up
tomorrow. Well, I may not get one tomorrow. It all
$3,000 a day.
depends on how much work they're doing here in the neighborhood. I have a feeling when they're sending out texts the day before, it's because they are
You ain't
going
gonna
to
get
cut the internet.
nothing. We got unemployment 8:30
Mm,
tomorrow morning.
I know. I'm hoping they don't start work too early. At least I get some of it done before I get cut off.
I would. I think. I think. Based on this morning, getting actual news play. Let's start going back and doing news stuff, huh?
I mean, news seems to be coming around now. It's starting to be a little bit better.
I mean, we only made almost $2,000 on that
Yeah,
news
today was huge
trade.
this morning. It was just you and I. We wouldn't have come back. We'd have been day done.
I had one more account, but yeah, I mean, for the most part, you're right. I would have been like, let's come back after the open, and I'm gonna try to get one trade on this account. That would have been my thing. Grand. Oh shoot. Oh, that's right. It's Grand Prix time for St. Pete.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I'm gonna be back
You
there
ever been
just
out
in time
to
for that.
you ever been out to the Petit Le Mans out here? It's pretty cool.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
That's a fun. That's a
I
fun
got
time.
So this is a really, really, really odd story. I moved to Georgia. I mean, Florida is right after I moved to Florida. I started working with this guy, and he was like, "Oh, are you into racing?" I was like, "Yeah, I like NASCAR. I like the Formula One. I like the Grand Prix. I don't know a lot about them. I just like to watch it." And he's like, "Okay, cool. Tell you what, I'm gonna take you to watch a Le Mans race." And I was like, "Okay, let's go." And he didn't say that he was flying us to Georgia to the
For the Petit Le
to
Mans.
the course in
Yeah.
Gainesville or wherever it's at up
Yeah.
there.
Road Atlanta.
Road Atlanta, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah,
Um,
that's a fun
so I
time because my
literally
buddy
just left
he races.
Georgia. And I was like, oh,
Oh,
okay.
I've been here before. It's
So,
back in Georgia.
so we flew in there and took his I don't know, some fancy sports
I'll tell
car.
you what's fun. You should do it sometime. Is in downtown, down by the airport. They got the Porsche experience.
Done it.
That is a blast.
If you
You get.
you're talking to Mr. Adrenaline wants it now.
I mean, you're talking like you get
I've
to
done it.
you can. Oh, you've done it. Okay,
Yeah,
that is
I've done the
cool.
NASCAR experience on 3 different tracks.
Yeah, I've done the Indy thing. I haven't done the NASCAR. I did
You know,
Indianapolis.
you know what's interesting about the difference between them is unless it's on like a tribal track with a huge bank. When you do the NASCAR one, like you can't when you go into a turn, you literally cannot see anything but road in front of you. Like you don't see like
Yeah, Indy's on that big slope, so
yeah, you don't but
it's
it's
like
got
a
the open
45-degree
hood.
angle. Yeah, well that too. Yeah,
The NASCAR has the front windshield. That's it. And when you get on that steep of embankment and it's turning, you don't see
yeah,
anything
you
in
don't
front of you.
see it.
You can't see the sky. You can't see anything but the car in front. Like it's scary. It's actually kind of scary
Yeah, those dudes are phenomenal drivers.
to
Phenomenal.
be within an inch of the person in front of you
Micro inches in front of you
and
doing 200 miles an hour. I don't think so.
maintain a steady like and like nobody can
I
be
thought the
like
Porsche thing was
nobody can be like,
fun.
well, those are auto the it's ran by machines now. I was like, dude, they were doing that shit in the 70s, inches away from each other, and knew how to control that car. What were you gonna say?
I thought we had fun. We did. I thought the Porsche thing was fun. We did our one of our clients. He's connected to Porsche America, and he took
Oh,
all our male staff because they all wanted to go, and it was cool. We got to pick whatever car we wanted, and
oh, that's fun.
we got to drive it around the track. It was fun.
That's awesome.
Yeah, I mean they had
It was
everything.
in Orlando
Every
Speedway, right?
Porsche out there.
Oh shoot, here we
Yeah,
go.
it's down there. Oh, look at
Here
that.
we go. Here we go, bro.
That dropped. Okay.
Somebody
Now you're gonna go
tweets.
back up.
Thank you for tweeting, Trump. We need the volatility. Whoever sent out something. Thank you. We needed the volatility. Uh,
Look at that. Spikes right down to V1 and bounces.
I took almost a week off from my workouts, and I've been back at it the past few days. And I'm
Oh, I
like,
bet you're
oh
hurting.
god,
Yeah, you take a week off, you're gonna feel it when you come back.
those workouts you do. Progress though, making good progress, really good progress.
You stack the creatine for the soreness.
I haven't been hitting them as hard as I should have, and now I'm starting to like get into it a little bit harder, especially the fitness side of it, and it's that's really stacking up the soreness. The strength side I can handle, right? Because it's just lifting weight. What I'm been doing it for
Yeah,
years.
with those AMRAPs and all that
The
other crap.
Metcons.
That's what will kill you, the
That'll
Metcons,
throw the soreness
AMRAPs.
into you. The
Yeah.
lactic
So
acid.
people used to, yeah, that's the one thing that will absolutely destroy you.
You start feeling that about minute 7. You start feeling that lactic acid just tear through your body. You're like,
Yeah.
oh, I
You done the
can't do it.
you've done the Murph before, right?
Yeah. My
Have you
best
done
time on
okay.
it was like 37, 39, or 37 minutes, something like that.
That's pretty damn
I
good.
broke the 40 mark. I
37
broke the
minutes
40
is no
mark.
joke.
I broke the 40 mark.
Yeah, you're hauling ass.
I was hitting it,
That's
man.
not
But
easy.
I mean,
That's not easy to do in
so
that
I
time
did
frame.
my first mile was like 7.5 minutes, and then
The running part was easy
I
for me
got
because I'm a
through.
cardio person,
Well,
but
this I had to be in super good shape, so I got through. But I did it unbroken. I did it un set it up. I did all 100 pull-ups, all 200 push-ups,
oh yeah,
all
yeah.
three
Yeah, yeah.
back
No,
to back. I did
that's the way you're supposed to do it.
well,
Yeah.
yeah, but people partition it and make it like 10 or like 5,
Yeah.
10, 15.
Well, they also split it up. They'll do push-ups. They'll split them up
Do
20,
like
10, 10,
20
10, or that
push-ups
thing
and then
like
yeah,
that.
yeah.
Yeah.
No, I did it
No,
straight through.
you're supposed to bomb it all out, go to the next one, bomb it all out, go to the next one.
Uh-huh. That
Go
that
take your
tears
lap.
that like, but doing 300 squats going into the second 5K.
Yeah, you're done.
Those legs are on fire. That's the hardest part of it. That is the absolute hard. When you're in shape, that last getting on the track after 300 squats is like
Yeah, we used to do it. We used to do it every year at one of our gyms, and everybody would come from all the other gyms, and we'd do it there. And
it,
but the run part was tough because it was, it was outside, so you were doing hills and
we
shit.
did.
It
I think
wasn't
we
a
did it
track.
4th of July every year.
Yeah, that's when we did it every 4th of
Yeah,
July.
we did every 4th of July. I think for because of the soldier Murph, because of Murph.
Mm-hmm. Because of Murph.
And I got a buddy named Murph that was
Did
in the
Murph do
Marine
the Murph?
that was in the Marines, and I used to do Murph with Murph on the 4th of July.
Murph's doing the Murph.
He was a little guy though.
Yeah, there's the break
He
up.
he 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 killed it. He was one of those smaller frame dudes that's thicker muscle wise. He was slow on the 5K because he's smaller, but he just ripped through everything else like it was no base business.
Wow.
Just ripped through it. Like he caught me and passed me on the last 5K, and I was in front of him because I burned up the first 5K. He was just like laughing at me. I'm struggling, like dying. He literally came by laughing at me.
Was this the breakout here? What do we got?
Well, this is the point where I say, remember what I said earlier, Paul, where we let it push up and take the next
Here and take
trade,
the
whether it's
short.
long or short, or push down and take the next trade, whether it's short or long. This is how professionals trade. We wait for it to push up and sell the rally. No, but for real, I'm being stupid. This is that point in the day where I turn into a dumbass. Yep, it's after two.
Yep, that's two.
After two, dumbass time for Brian. But no, for real. I think we should look for the short. I'm eyeballing this RTY. I'm pissed about the CL. We should have shorted that spike up, but that was scary. Pissed about missing that short. That was my trade of the day too, man. That was my trade of the day. Now, and keep this in mind too. This has got to be a freaking A plus setup. It's got to be an A plus setup. Correct?
Absolutely. Looks like you might be getting the short coming up. Nope, as it just keeps shooting up.
It's funny how CL jumped, the markets jumped, but GC didn't really jump on that. Well, I guess it did, didn't it?
This is
On
just,
that little spike in volume.
yeah.
But it didn't really move like the others did. We're gonna get a trade. Watch. They're just trying to get rid of retail, that man. I'm just telling you, they're trying to get rid of retail. Had it too easy through these swings, and what was this 11? Did we 11:27? We got that short, didn't we?
I think we did, didn't we?
Didn't we? Right after I came back.
11:27. Or was that when we were gone?
Oh shit, we were gone doing that.
I think you might be
Because
getting
we
your
did
short
this
setting up here
short,
on. Yes. What do you think?
huh? Okay, I'm just looking. Yeah, below the pivot. I'm gonna take the NQ if the ES sets up. Oh, what do I don't want to do here? Yeah, yeah. You know what? Let's put a sell stop in. Is that the account I want to do it on there? No, it is not. Cancel that. That is the account I want to do it on. Alright, well, maybe this actually turns it. I don't like those wicks on the bottom.
That does not give me a warm and fuzzy here.
But they did stop at the exact same price. Yes or no?
Yes,
Okay.
I'm absolutely on board.
Okay. I think it's a good trade. Then if that fills,
Maybe not.
maybe not. Oof. Playing games, are you?
I don't like the small tick. Well, maybe it is coming down.
Man,
It looks like it wants to.
where was that? What time was the big spike in volume? Um,
One? No.
right at two. Right now, it was right at, yeah, two. 9 after 2. 9 after 2.
I don't like those wicks.
Yeah, they seem like they're on the wrong side.
Mm-hmm.
But you also could be running out of buyers right there too.
This is true.
I wish it would give us one more candle now. Just stay there for another 250 ticks.
It's going to
Or just
drop
don't
right
get
here. There
filled.
you go. I'm in.
Oh, I'm scared. I'm in too.
I'm scared about this. Damn it.
You got
Don't
me
go against
scared.
me.
You got me scared. This is it. This is not. Talk me into it,
I'm not
didn't
gonna. Yeah, I'm not gonna hold this.
you? That's what I was saying. I wish it would have just given us one more candle. One more candle there, buddy. One more.
Well, you're gonna get the one more candle, but we're gonna be in it and take the loss.
Yeah, no. I mean, I don't want to give my money back today.
I'm out. I'm out. Damn, that's not the way I want to end the day. That's why I don't trade this garbage. I should have just known what I knew and walked away at
Well,
12 today and just said it'd be done.
yeah. Well, you said you had a couple more accounts
Yeah, but now I'm freaking down freaking $400 for no reason.
for no reason.
Damn. Amateur mistake, amateur result.
There you go. Well, I mean, the only reason I did it is because you did it. that cost you 400. I was at $400. That couldn't. No way that could have been
It
$400.
was already down a little bit before the account, and
Mm.
then it went against me.
I thought it was an account you hadn't traded yet. Swear, I totally thought it was an account you hadn't traded yet.
No,
The way you said I got a couple few accounts that I could trade. I was like, oh, okay.
it was down like
Stick
$100.
around.
Wasn't even less than that, but then that was three something, so it's about $400. It is what it is.
Well, I don't like doing that. Give my money back. That's it for me, though. I'm done for the day.
Yeah.
Only thing you can do is buy the rally now because it's going up.
Yeah. All right. Well, I say we wrap it up. I don't want to stay here till 3 o'clock
Okay.
because I'm not gonna do anything else. I got stuff I could be working on, the other stuff.
All right. Yeah. I
Not
wouldn't
like
mind hitting the
plan.
gym earlier.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, buddy.
See
See you
you
in the
guys.
morning.
See you in the morning. I'm gonna do news in the morning whether Paul's able to or not.
Yep. Hopefully I'll be here.
I
We'll see
hope
what
so.
happens.
I'm gonna do it.
It's up to Xfinity.
Oh yeah.
Later.
Later, Tater.